So I did a thing. Let's just hope I didn't get scammed. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. I have an exciting video for you guys today. I ordered a camera and I've been contemplating this for a while. I decided to just do it basically. As some of you may know, I actually do film on my iPhone 11, but I tend to use the front facing camera rather than like the regular camera. So I went onto Amazon and I looked at different cameras, different bundles and such. And obviously since I'm fairly new to YouTube and kind of just building my channel, I decided to purchase the Canon G7X Mark II. I didn't want to invest in like a super expensive camera that I literally don't know how to use because I don't really know anything about cameras. In the end, I just opted to get the camera on its own and then I opted to buy the accessories separately. The bundles that were available in Canada, I felt like the extras were a little bit dinky and not that great quality. I would rather spend a little bit more money on stuff that I actually want and need rather than just getting this bundle when I realistically probably wouldn't use half of the stuff in the bundle, like, you know. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and maybe even hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me. And also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I have two different Instagram accounts now. I have my personal Instagram if you want to keep up to date with my life, and then I have a BTS collectors Instagram where I post pictures of the different merch items that I have. If you guys are interested in either of those, it'd be cool if you followed me on there. And let's just get into the unboxing. So I have some packages here. I have two packages. One of them's actually for my brother. So we're gonna start off with this one. I feel like this one's just gonna have the camera accessories that I ordered. First off, I have this mini tripod. This is the Manfrotto tripod, but it feels very heavy duty. So the tripod in the bundle that I was looking at was like this dinky little tripod. This is the one that I was looking at in Best Buy, I think, or like a similar one. So I just found it on Amazon. It was cheaper on Amazon. We'll open that once I open up the camera. And then I picked up this USB-C adapter. So this is an SD card reader for MacBooks. This is the next box. I got some screen protectors for the camera, and then I picked up this 256 gigabyte SD card. Okay, here it is. So this is the box for the Canon G7X Mark II. The Mark II apparently has better autofocus, which I like and need, especially when I do unboxing videos and want to do like close-up shots of things. I was really skeptical to order off of Amazon this camera. I was just gonna buy it off of Best Buy, but I think the taxes were a lot cheaper on Amazon. I don't know why I was struggling to open this. So here's the box. This is what it looks like. So you got the manual. You have the charging cords, the camera strap, and then the battery, and then the charger. So I'm gonna pop the battery into the charger so that I can test out the camera. We're just gonna plug her in and then we will figure it out. I'll leave that in there for a little bit. And then we have the camera in this little tray thing. It's not heavy, but like she's got some weight to her. And then this is the camera. Oh, she's pretty. This is what it looks like. It has like the flip up screen, which is exactly what I wanted because when you're vlogging and stuff, I want to be able to see myself, and it also is helpful for when I'm just doing a sit down video and I can see myself, you know? And this one with the screen, there's different ways that you can pull it out so you can get different types of shots. Adjust the screen to your liking. So we're gonna put this strap on. Okay, let's open up this tripod. Seems very, very good quality. And then you can just twist her on like this. Oh, that's a nice setup. This like button moves it, I think. Oh, so you push it in to like be able to twist her around, I guess. You press it to move it, duh. Like I'm actually an idiot. I'm literally the most excited about this flip up screen. I'm gonna be walking around like this. That's so nice. this feels right. This feels right. Oh my god. This camera is just stunning. Like, look at her. And even just on the tripod, I obviously have a bigger tripod, so when I'm doing sit-down videos, I can prop this camera up on there. But this is obviously a really nice setup for when I want to go out and vlog and stuff. I feel like once you start using a legitimate camera, it really shows in your content, the quality of your content. It's just... I just really want this battery to charge. I gotta wait a little bit longer. So I'm gonna come back when that battery's charged a little bit, and then we'll do some test shots. Okay, so I think I waited long enough for this battery to charge, so we're just gonna try it now. I'm going to put the SD card in and the battery. This SD card. And I'm going to put it on the tripod. Okay, so we're gonna turn this on. Yay! Okay, wait, what time is it? Ooh, it's on. Ooh, you can hear like the autofocus too. Whoa, this looks weird. Wow, this feels weird too. We're just gonna turn it on. We have it like right beside the iPhone. So this is the comparison, I guess, like the side by side. Just from looking at the two different screens, the iPhone looks a little bit more yellow, whereas this one has a little bit more of lighter tones, or it looks a little bit brighter, more blue, I guess. I'm not really sure. Whoa, look at that autofocus. And then it focuses again on my face. I'll do like an audio comparison. So this is the audio from the Canon G7X Mark II. And then this is the audio from the iPhone. That's so fun. Wow, this feels so weird. So I just took my iPhone out of the tripod and I have them both in my hand. So I have this ring light in front of me, and so this is the different lighting comparison. So like we'll just go closer. Oh my god, you could literally see everything. And then that focus. And then I guess we can walk around my room. And this is different lighting. This is lower lighting over here. It's still pretty bright on the G7X. Wow. Okay. So that's the comparison between the two. That's awesome. Okay, so I decided I wanted to film my outro on my new camera. Here it goes. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited to play around with it and to see what kind of content I can make with this camera. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. So I'm excited for the quality upgrade. I hope that you guys can see a difference in the quality. I hope that it looks better. I hope it looks significantly better than my iPhone. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just so excited. I literally can't form sentences. I can't organize my thoughts properly. So don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all of my different social media accounts to keep up to date with me. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.